Once upon a time, in a small pond, a tiny lotus flower seed was planted. The pond was murky, and the water was filled with weeds and debris. But the seed didn't give up. It began to grow, pushing through the darkness, reaching for the sunlight. As it grew, the seed faced many challenges. The pond's water would often rise and fall, threatening to drown it. The weeds would entangle it, trying to hold it back. But the lotus persisted, adapting and strengthening its roots. One day, the lotus finally broke through the surface of the water. It emerged into the sunlight, its petals unfolding like a radiant smile. The flower's beauty attracted bees, butterflies, and birds who came to marvel at its splendor. But the lotus didn't let its newfound success go to its head. Instead, it continued to grow, its roots digging deeper into the muddy pond. It used its strength to lift others up, providing shade and shelter for the creatures that lived in the pond. Years passed, and the lotus became a symbol of hope and resilience. People would come from far and wide to see the flower that had risen from the darkness. They would leave inspired, remembering the lotus's message. No matter where you start, no matter the challenges you face, you have the power to rise above. You too can be like the lotus flower. You can 1. Start small but dream big. 2. Push through obstacles and keep growing. 3. Adapt to changing circumstances. 4. Use your strengths to lift others up. 5. Radiate beauty and positivity. Remember, your journey may begin in darkness, but with persistence and determination, you can emerge into the sunlight. Would you like me to generate another motivational story?